get that?
Tyrande Whisperwind. One of her quotes in Hero of the Storm when you click her is no shape shifting. I am not into that. I'm done. I'm done. Because she's a druid, and druids are able to turn into
I didn't
animals,
mean to
as you can
invite
tell by.
Austin. Drill, join in.
I can't. You have to invite me.
I did.
What the hell? I'm gonna quit this job. Hold on.
The browse, motherfucker.
Illidan. Illidan.
There you are.
Stormwind.
Oh man, that sounds delicious.
It was.
Illidan Stormwind.
Tastes a lot like Gatorade. Ew.
We get muddy, boy.
I'm done.
You good? What?
You click him, and then there's like a little tiny ringtone. Like, they have different things when you click them. And he's like, hold on, Darkness just texted me.
Darkness.
Get out of
Marcus,
here,
that's your
Illidan. You're
girlfriend.
cheesy as shit. I actually really want to get that because it's cheesy as hell. Well, I deployed early.
I deployed way late.
Oh, okay then.
I
thought I
missed that
deployed early.
checkpoint. No, I deployed super late. I thought I wouldn't be able to make that. I'm barely gonna
I
make
wish
this
there was just a
checkpoint.
skydiving thing.
What?
He said LMFAO, he favored it. He favored it, retweeted, dude!
What?
He favorited and retweeted? It's a
What
fake
did you
crim. It's a
say?
fake crim, dude. Hail Hydra, LMFAO. Wait, what? Oh yeah, you're like Hail Hydra.
Dude, I'm getting...
Marcus just got a chubby.
He just got a stiffy, I think that's what you mean.
Bro, my phone's going off.
You said your phone's going off? Like you're getting like hella followers?
Now.
No, I'm getting so many favorites, dude.
He's gonna get the EG juice. Just kidding. That's not even a thing.
He just got the crim juice.
The EG juice isn't even a thing. Who are you? Wait, who are you? To be honest, I'm probably the best S&D player in the world.
He added it at phase sensor.
He tagged phase sensor.
Yep.
You get retweeted by Doug too, and then maybe he'll give you like a protein shake.
Marcus is getting 11 retweets.
You give me a protein shake.
Dude, yeah, I heard Sensor gives protein shakes.
Oh
Look at me.
man.
Look at me.
I told Marcus, I
This
told you
one,
that was
Austin,
the
this
best
one.
one. I told you that was the best one.
Did you tweet that specifically at him?
Yeah, you just
Yes.
he put Hail Hydra at Crimson.
Why?
It says I'm not following Marcus, lol.
Yo, thanks for the retweet, man. He's getting that EG juice. Just kidding, that's not a thing.
Dude, yeah, it is. Any pro player you get
It's
juice.
a somewhat thing, but like it's not as much as a thing as the optic juice. If Nadeshot were to retweet that,
God.
Marcus would instantly be like a Twitch streamer and everything, like overnight.
What? What?
Yo, Crimson's tweeted at Marcus.
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
he said
tweeted
that.
at him?
Well, he was like LMFAO, so it's like technically.
Oh.
Yeah,
Dude, my
that's what we
phone's
were-
going off,
that's what we
man.
just said.
I got 43. Dude, when it goes on my email, 43, dude. It's just stacking up. It's just stacking
Oh
up.
shit! Oh no!
Oh, I pulled late because I was
almost,
trying to get as close to the rocks as I could.
I almost smacked into that rock.
Oh my god, dude. This has made my fucking day.
Drill,
Oh, made me miss that.
trying to cut me off like last time.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to
okay.
like air brake to get my shit back.
No.
Skydiving heels.
I know, right? Like, good luck landing.
I'm a
Oh, that's
hashtag
sick.
that.
We're gonna
Hashtag
land on the pier.
skydiving in heels. Oh, that is a very small landing pad right
It's all
there.
the same.
I know, but like, it's not like a big open. Oh shit.
You
Mistake.
gotta line it up. You gotta line it up.
Oh my god.
Hey, 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 take it easy. Oh, whoa, man, you pushed me.
You're not even on the pier. You landed in the ocean, didn't you?
Yep.
I got 15s the whole way. There's no way you.
Dirtbag.
Oh, damn.
When you're
Oh,
crossing the A
27
on
retweets,
Octane and your
35
teammate gets
favorites.
sniped. Yo, look at that.
What?
Marcus. Joshua Kitcher. Dude, that happens to me all the time. It's usually Sam that gets sniped or Joey, and I'm just like dipping.
Oh man.
The one where it's like you and your duo are in like an easy, or the one where it's
No.
like,
Like crossing the A on Octane.
oh, like your dude gets shot, you're like, what? Start running away.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm like, dude.
Why don't you just at Jenna Ezeric?
Here, vote that one.
Bro, he tweeted that face. He tweeted that face sensor, dude. Oh my god.
Marcus is about to go. Oh boy, 3 a.m. later.
He really is, dude.
He is right now.
Dude, I've gotten like how many emails?
Oh
What
boy,
the hell
5
is-
a.m.
Okay, what does
50
Hail
fucking
Hydra
3.
mean?
You have to see.
It's from.
It's from
You have to
Captain
see
America.
Captain America: The Winter Soldier.
Oh, okay.
Hail Hydra.
Oh my god, I keep getting notifications.
We're gonna do sports drill so I can keep getting stuff for these cars.
Oh, by the way, it was a Facebook page, and I just swapped it off like the Photoshop. Like,
Wrecked.
I knew you enjoy it, so.
Dude, that one's the best one.
Oh man.
Watch someone sue you for copyright.
It was on a Facebook page. No
Yeah.
copyright shit, bro.
Marcus is like, we out here winning, boy.
Do not presume, just because I'm a priestess, my fury has been checked.
Person sounds familiar.
Marcus, is your heart beating or something right now? Like,
It was. Indeed.
I was just like so excited. I was like, I just see like EJ Crimsix LMFAO, and then favorites it, retweets it, and after that, the fucking spree began.
What did you just randomly tweet it at him that or what?
Yeah, I just tweeted him the photos like Hail Hydra, and he fucking clicked on it. Ah, damn.
What? Are you kidding? Come on, dude.
Hey, my nigga, Austin Chapman retweeted it.
Got you, bro.
Come on, dude. That's a joke.
Bro, you're probably gonna win this race.
Because
Actually-
I picked a different car.
Oh, actually, let me win because I get stuff that way as well.
Hey, my nigga, Austin Chapman retweeted it.
Well,
I could hear the slipstream.
oh shit.
Well, you just messed up.
Oh, is this just a circle race? Oh.
Probably. It's probably a super short lap race. Actually, I don't know.
No, it's a It's a like a NASCAR track race.
No, because we didn't get a lap right there, so we're probably gonna go under this time.
Oh, turn left.
Hey, the nigga Legacy retweeted it.
Who the hell's that?
Dude, SC Legacy fucking retweeted. Dude, that's insane.
Who the hell's
You know
that
who
random?
that is? What the
No,
fuck?
dude, I don't follow randoms.
Dude, he's
Oh,
the
that was
shit.
pretty rude.
You're getting
Ruthless.
rudeless.
Yeah, you're getting pretty rudeless over there.
Rudeless? Why you gotta be
Rudeless.
so rudeless?
Doesn't matter whether you win by an inch or a mile. Win. Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh,
Oh, don't get trolled. Don't get trolled. You have to turn in here.
Shit.
That's what I did.
Oh man, dude, I'm so happy.
What the
We
fuck
can
kind of...
tell.
Because I'm happy.
Clap along if you feel like Cream Six added you. Cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel
Because
like
I'm
Jake wants to play
tacky.
GBs with you.
Yeah, you can still playing GPs with your ass,
Clap
Marcus.
along if you
Can you
feel...
play GBs tomorrow on like any game, please?
We play
Halo 3.
GBs before Austin leaves and before Marcus has to go back to school.
Yeah, like
Nah,
tomorrow.
I'm not feeling it.
Like we can play
I'm okay
today or
with that.
tomorrow. I'm cool with whatever.
Yo, I swear to God,
Jeez,
if I
what
see
is
like,
with this
I
race?
see like a Nate shot like retweet that, I'm gonna get like fucking.
Dude, your phone is
If
gonna
Nate
break.
Shot retweets that, yeah, your phone will break. That will literally be the definition of juice right there.
You'll probably get like 2K followers off that, guaranteed.
More than likely. Oh,
And
it
then
is
I
a
don't-
lap race.
And then I don't retweet anything else.
Clap along if you feel...
What if that was how Marcus got his start? Like he got noticed off a picture that Crimsix retweeted,
I'd be like, Marcus.
and then he's considered like a top am.
Yeah, because
No
like
one's
Crim's
ever
like
done that in
Crim
the history
retweeted
of
like a
Coda.
picture.
Oh, because then people are like, "Oh, you want to play with us?" And then just like makes his way up from there. He's so
Later,
weird.
bitches.
Does Crim
I'm
follow
gonna
you
be like,
now?
look at me. I'm gonna be like, look at me. I'm the captain now.
Yeah.
Broke.
And then we'll kick you and form our own team.
Wait, who says
You'll be
you're playing
anti-
GBs?
you'll be complexity.